Hey guys, my name's Justin and I got a haircut.
Wow.
Hey guys, my name's Justin and welcome to Healthboro, where we care about the design behind designer luxury. And if you do too, make sure to subscribe. Okay, so as you can tell by the title of the video, I have a very fun unboxing. It's very stupid and I'm very excited. Also, I got a haircut. And by I got a haircut, I mean I shaved, not shaved, but like I buzzed my head because I'm ready for summer, even though it's literally like it was 40 degrees this morning and with a high of 50, and it's gonna be like that for the next few weeks. But you know what? I'm ready. Whenever the temperature decides to go up and it gets warm, I'll be ready. But yeah, I got a package today. You guys can see the title. You know what it is. Do I even need a knife? I know, like I've made like even a video about like burnout from like collaborations. I do have to say this one kind of struck me as like, it made sense enough, but it was also stupid enough that I was like, okay, I'll buy it. I'm honestly one of those types of people who've been like, I'm never gonna buy a pair of Crocs because like, why would I do that? And for some reason, something about me changed. Yeah, you could almost say something has changed within me. I'm also looking for like a summer shoe, I guess. We'll see if this works as a summer shoe. I've never owned a pair of Crocs, minus like I have a pair of house slippers that are like knockoff platforms Crocs that I wear around the house when I like need to reach top shelves. So let me tell you a little story. I was actually like very excited for it. I set multiple alarms. I completely forgot about it morning of, to the point where I got to the Simone Rocha website and it was already cleared out. It was already empty. And I checked Dover Street Market, London, and it was also pretty much like completely sold out, minus like a size 13 and whatever something shoe I didn't want. Yeah. Is this even somewhere I need to cut? I have no idea. When that happened, I was like a little disappointed. I was like, oh, that kind of sucks. And then I kind of dug around the Dover Street Market website a little. I went to like Singapore and I was like, wait a second, there's different stock that's showing in London. And then I like kind of like deduced like, oh, so they're doing like local drop times. So I was like, all right, New York is next up. So I set a timer for New York, and I just randomly checked it and they ended up opening the stock before the actual drop time. Like it was like 20 minutes before, and I was like, that sucks. And then I like frantically like, oh, let me not wave around a knife. But I was like, oh, that sucks. Let me just get this anyways. And then I managed to get the shoe that I wanted in the size I wanted. I didn't want any of like the fancy ones. So I was like, well, I wanted to like look like a Croc, you know? Cause that's like part of it. Like I wanted a shoe that was ugly. So that's where we are. So this is from Dover Street Market, New York. What the heck? Oh god, you can see my details. That's unexpected. Oops. So far, I kind of love this packaging. It is so weird. Is this what Crocs come in? They just come in like plastic bags? If so, that is hilarious. Let me know in the comments if you own Crocs and if they come in a bag that's like this. But then, I'm so confused. Oh, there's a zip. I don't need to even do anything. Like a Ziploc. Hold on. Let me redo it for you guys. Okay, ready? Okay, cute. Okay. Now I want to be a little careful. So, bag is done. Oh my god, I can't believe I paid this much. Yeah, because I also had like the delivery fees were more than US, and then I had customs fees as well, which weren't that crazy. And then,
Wow.
Cute. Oh my god, this has to be one of the dumbest things I've ever bought. And everyone's like, oh my god, just DIY it yourself. I'm like, I don't want to buy a pair of Crocs myself. And I would have to DIY like the backside, which is like the reason why I wanted these, because it looks like it was just like, boop, on there. Oh my god, the little pearl says Crocs! Oh my god, that's so cute, you guys. Oh my god. The shoe is so ugly. I do like that they have like Simone Rocha like tissue paper. I will be keeping that because I may hoard it. Oh, and fun. And then there's like the little like Simone Rocha stamp on the inside. Cuties. Oh my god. So right now, I am obsessed. Cinderella, eat your heart out. Oh. Oh my god, the perfect fit. The casual. And then the casual and the bras inside of your dresser. Oh, these are like a lot nicer than the knockoff Crocs I have. Like, it feels very soft. I have a pair of house slippers that are like knockoff platforms Crocs that I wear around the house when I like need to reach the top shelf. I believe these are called gibbets. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it incorrectly. I don't want to offend anyone's culture. So like, you know, let me know. These are all like loose. Can I like take them out? I don't want to. Oh. I don't know what's going on with like how these like little jummy things are gonna stay on like the back of the shoe and the side and whatever. But like the gibbets are gibbets, I suppose. I think some of these gibbets maybe feel like a little basic. Like these just like teardrop little like plastic gem thingies are like a little meh. But I do think that any of the pearl details are so interesting because they're not like a normal sphere, minus like the tiny ones. They all either have something, it looks like it's dented or like, you know, there's imperfections in it. And I think the imperfections are what I find the most interesting. But yeah, so, you know, that's how they like sit as clogs. Or put in the sport mode. Ooh, that is gross to look at with my socks. And then when you put them into sports mode, got a little double action there. Or at least it's a little like that. I think the little pearl on like the axle for the sport mode band is interesting. Smells like plastic. Kind of smells like a new car. Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, I think I'm like high now. I do not condone drug use, also known as smelling new Crocs. I guess my one thing is just tiny gripe. I do wish like they had done something with the sole. The sole looks like it's just normal Crocs. I almost wish they had done like an Oxford print or something. Like I get that it's not the point, like you want it to be like a Croc that's like bedazzled, but like I think that would have been like the next level thing. I do appreciate that there's like a little Simone Rocha stamp on the inside that I'm assuming is gonna wear off after like 2 wears. One thing that I'm like maybe not so sure about is I'm like, this is like plastic from top to bottom. I'm like, how is this sole gonna wear, you know? And like, sure, I guess I could go and take this to a freaking cobbler and be like, hey, can you add a sole? I would get bullied for that, but I mean, I would do it, I guess. Just because these were like expensive. They are extremely comfy. They fit pretty much true to size. I would probably say, if anything, they fit a little big. I'm like a 7.5, and these are the M7 W9s. So like, yep. In Euro, it's 39.40, which I'm like typically 40. Sometimes 39. I almost would think like if they had a 7.5, I feel like it might be too big because these actually fit me perfectly. Perfect for like martial arts. And I actually like, I don't have like wide feet, but like I have wide feet for my size and they fit me super comfortably. Dang, these like stay on. I feel like I've seen a video where like a girl lost her Crocs because she kicked them off. She must have not had them in sport mode. These are actually like so stupid. Okay, so basically, these are literally just Crocs with stuff on them, which is also not a bad thing. So far, super impressed. I actually like love it with the outfit I'm wearing. I wore this outfit to work, minus I changed into shorts just because I was like, well, I'm inside now, so I want to wear shorts for this video. Yeah, so what? I wear shorts a lot of the time because you can't see below my waist. Is that a crime? Lonely assassin, lonely assassin. GG. Yeah, I totally see these as being like a great option for like summer. Like, I'm assuming they're waterproof or like water resistant or something. Like, they're plastic, and I'm assuming that these things are plastic as well, so they have to be like fine with that, I guess. But yeah, I totally see myself wearing these with like shorts, with socks, maybe without socks. I don't know. I wanna get a pair of like lacy, like socks with like a little frilly lace at the top for these, and then wear it like with basically the same outfit, because I just think that'd be hilarious.
I wanna just like, I don't know, it looks tasty.
I can't wear these like during Swedish winter because like I don't want frostbite in like the shape of like these holes, but I'll enjoy them while I can. So there's that. But yeah, in general, I am very excited to wear these. I'm pleasantly surprised. And in terms of quality, I do feel like everything feels stable, and like I've like kind of touched everything, and like nothing feels like loose. So I don't know, that's a really good sign for me. I mean, like Simone Rocha is like a brand that I would expect like that kind of effort from. So I don't know, maybe I'll like do an update video about these Crocs. But in any case, I am excited to wear them. I do have decently high hopes for them now. And yeah, I'm happy with my really ugly chef shoes. But yeah, that's all I have for you today. So if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It lets me know that you like this kind of content and that you too care about the design behind designer luxury. Until next time.